Hello guys, this home tips today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Malaysia. The link and coupon will be in the description. And let's go. Alright, step 1 and open description in the video and click on link Wi-Fi SIM and open wifi.com and click on this and write Malaya. Open with new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and choose a speed plan, light, plus, premium and select days. I am select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Alright, this service number 1 for eSIM in the world and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM or write email, payment and write billing address and click on buy now and this and buy eSIM, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.